Good morning, children. Biology class ma. This is 10th standard ma. So last class what we learned ma? The previous class. Digestive system and respiratory and also circulatory system of leech. Okay. You remember this? Yes. In this class we are going to learn about nervous system, excretory system and reproductive system. In this reproductive system, that is male and female reproductive system. Okay ma, male and female reproductive system. First we want to see about that nerve system. First we see the nervous system. Okay, so the nervous system, nervous system consists of what ma? Nerve ring. Nerve system consists of nerve ring and also paired means another two. Ventral nerve cord. Okay, so the nerve system of leech consists of nerve ring and paired ventral nerve cord. Okay, then the nerve ring surrounds the pharynx. Okay, the ring ஆனது எதை சுற்றி இருக்குன்னா pharynx. Okay, pharynx. Okay, then it is formed in that suprapharyngeal ganglion. Okay, it is in brain. Okay, suprapharyngeal ganglion, it is in brain. So then circumpharyngeal ganglion. So first one is suprapharyngeal ganglion, then circumpharyngeal connective and subpharyngeal ganglion. Circumpharyngeal connective and subpharyngeal ganglion. Okay ma, so this the nerve ring surrounds the pharynx. It formed suprapharyngeal ganglion, circumpharyngeal connective and circumpharyngeal ganglion. Okay ma, yes. Then the subpharyngeal ganglion, this subpharyngeal ganglion, where it located? Okay, so it lies, this subpharyngeal ganglion lies below the pharynx and is formed by the fusion of 4 pairs of ganglia. The subpharyngeal ganglion lies below the pharynx and form that fusion of 4 pairs of ganglia. இதெல்லாம் ஃபார்ம் ஆகி ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகி அண்ட் 4 pairs of ganglia என்ன செய்யுது? ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது. Okay ma, this is the nerve system of leech. Okay, this is the nervous system of leech. The next one is the excretory system. Next one is what ma? Excretory system. In this system, what is mean by excretion? So excretory means what ma? What is mean by excretion? So waste product. Okay, excretory waste product coming out from the body. Okay ma, so this in leech that excretion, this excretory system takes place by segmentally arranged paired tubules called nephridia. So how to remove that waste? Through that nephridia. Okay, so this takes place by segmentally arranged pair of tubules. This tubule is called nephridia. Already we learned. Okay, so where is located in this nephridia? So how many nephriospores are in leech? So totally 17 pairs of leech, nephridia, 17 pairs of nephridia, okay, opened by nephriospores. So 17 pairs of nephridia opened by nephriospores. Okay, ma. So very important. You have to underline and learn. Okay. So by nephridia, from which segment, starting from 6th to 22nd segment, starting from 6th segment to 22nd segment. Okay, do you understand, ma? So excretory system, so it takes place by segmentally arranged pairs of tubules, that is called nephridia. So totally 17 pairs of nephridia is present in leech. So where to locate? Starting from 6th segment to 22nd segment. So totally 17 pairs of nephridia. Okay. Then is reproductive system. Then is what, ma? Reproductive system. So reproductive system, it produce the new one. Through the system, it produce the new one. Okay. So in this system, the leech is a hermaphrodite. Leech is a hermaphrodite. It is very important, this one. Okay. So hermaphrodite. Why it is called a hermaphrodite? Because male and female sex organs or reproductive organs present in the same organism or animal. Same organism or animal. Okay, ma? So, reproductive system, it is a hermaphrodite reproductive system in leech, because both male and female sex organs or reproductive organs are present in the same animal. Okay, present in the same animal. Present in the same animal. This is the reproductive system. Okay. This is the reproductive system. Next we see that male and female reproductive system. Male and female reproductive system.